Alright, so we're gonna do a breakdown cost of mining Bitcoin and how profitable it could be and how long it'll turn a profit. So one card is like $1,249. I'm gonna use this one for example. So 974.99, 974, 974.99 times 1.1. That's what taxes plus 9.99 plus shipping. So it'll be $1,082.48 for a card. So if you get the card cheaper, it'll be better. This one's cheaper. So that one's gonna be that, and just a watt electric cost. I have no clue, but there's a daily profit of $3.16 from NiceHash. So it's calculated $3.16 for the mega hashes of the 360 Ti. You can probably do a bit more if you overclock it, but yeah. And then it'll take you divide that. It'll take 342 days to break even to make a profit from the card. But after you mine that amount of time, the year, it's gonna be like you're gonna break even after that year. So it'll be like 342 days. So almost a year. A year is 365 days. So after that's all profit. But you gotta wait a whole year in mine. There's a lot of variable costs, variable unknown variables like how much electricity costs day to day, changes every month. And another thing that you have to take account for is the cost of how much will Bitcoin go up and down. So basically, this will double. So you need like 10 cards though, at least, to make a profit. So let's make it times 10. That'd be like 30 G's, I think. 30, no, 10, this would be 30 bucks. So that'd be like, see, times 10, that'd be $30 a day. $30 a day. So it'll be 316 times 10. It'll be $30 a day, and it's 30 days. It's not bad. It's like $1,000 a day. But you need initial cost of times 10. 10 G's for 10 cards. That's not bad. But you gotta count like the other parts too. And there's other parts to the graphic card. Not only the card, there's also how much other parts cost. Like a cheap computer would be like $400, so additional 400 for a computer. But you can like buy parts used and stuff, so it'd be like 200, 300 to count on that. So if you get like 10 cards or even 20, then it's possibly worth it. But you gotta mine for like a whole year non-stop. And there's another thing is like brownouts, if the power fails or not, because it has to be constantly mining like every day till it hits like a year, so you can break even. But another thing you don't take account for is the difficulty of mining coins changes too. That's another variable. So these variables, these are unknown variables. How much electricity costs, I'll change like day to day or monthly. How much Bitcoin will go up and down, that changes. And how much the entire computer costs, but the initial cost of the computer is like 400, 300 give or take, and stuff like 5 to 10 graphic cards. You can make your own rig depending. And you have to account of brownouts, like if things like have no electricity, and the difficulty of mining Bitcoin changes a lot. But if you do, that's one card. If you do 10, you can make $1,000 a day. So 316 times 10, and then be 30 days. You make like $1,000 a day if you get 10 cards. But you have to get your hands on these graphic cards, which are really hard to get. They're really hard and really expensive. These 360s, 380s are expensive too. 380s make like $5. So yeah, you gotta get your hands on these cards. And they generate a lot of heat and use a lot of electricity. And you have to take account of how much electricity your circuit breaker will allow. So there's a lot of things to count of. So if you do like 10 to 20 cards, I think it's okay. If you do like 10 cards, it's probably like 2 Gs a month. So, but you have to do it for like a year. But once you break that year, that's gonna be profit. And difficulty has to not change. And the Bitcoin price has to go up. So these difficulty has to not change, and the Bitcoin price has to go up in the future. Those are the two very big variables in mining. So this is an analysis of mining Bitcoin, if it's profitable or not. So thanks for watching. Peace.